Hey everyone, it's Pat at Georgetown Chevrolet Buick GMC. Hope everyone's doing well, especially with this beautiful weather. Come on down to the dealership. My pick of the week is a 2020 Chevrolet Malibu Premier from our pre-owned inventory. Why buy pre-owned? Simple, you save a lot from buying brand new. We sell brand new cars too, but I'm not gonna kid you, you do save a lot of money from buying pre-owned. This Malibu is a Premier, fully equipped from top to bottom, gently used, only 23,000 kilometers, leather interior, power sunroof, adaptive cruise control, air-conditioned seats, navigation, Bose sound system, 2-liter turbo. You name it, this vehicle has it. Like I said, you save thousands from buying brand new. We have it here at our dealership. Give me a call, take it out for a test drive. Winter's coming. If you need to upgrade your ride, don't hesitate, do it now. Call me, Pat, Georgetown Chevrolet. My number again, 647-390-9582. Look forward to seeing you at the dealership. You guys have a great day, and come on down, take a Malibu out for a test drive.